Recently, childcare centres or early learning care centres in Australia, some of them are reluctant to give first name and surname. So you may only get the first name. So this can create challenges when creating composites, for example. So if you need to generate composites that have a first name only, I have an example in front of me here as a template. In this particular one, we're going to have a background, and we can put a different background for every school ELC if we want. So we'll see that at the end product. And then the main thing that we've got is composites is making sure that each image tag is tagged the subject _ favorite _1, and then the relevant name tagging as well down here, which is subject _ first name. So that's subject _ first _name _1. So then you can obviously go to the next subject. It'll be 2, and then the corresponding first name as well with that. So let's now move on to what this looks like in the system and how we can then generate an automated composite. Okay, so here we are in a job at the moment, and we have uploaded certain elements for the composite to be created. Obviously, we've got the subject images, but also we have elements to the composite. And the one that I mentioned before was the background. So we're just going to upload this background. We can do whatever background you want that's corresponding to the school or sports center or EL. So we've tagged this gray, so it's going to pull in this piece of data, which is the image. And in this example, we have the logo, which is violet, and it will pull in that as well. So what I'm going to do here is just create the composite just for this particular class for my example. The input tag is favorite of every subject, and then the output tag is group favorite, which is going to include, I can include staff if I want. And in this case, I'm just going to do one class for the example and generate. And 3, 4 is the only one I want it for. So I'm going to create group pictures just for that. And here we have the completed JPEG. And I'm just going to go back to Checkpoint to look at that. And so the composite has been automatically created. In this case, we can see that it's automatically put the data of the school name in, or the job name, the year, the class, etc. And it's also attached the logo, and obviously it's put the background in as well as doing the composite for you automatically just with the first names. So if you needed to do a composite with just the first names, that's how you're going to do it. All right, reach out if you need help or you would like advice. Thanks.